for in the next
And I think for us for this afternoon as well, looking fine, and the weekend isn't too bad, but you see this big line of cloud and you say, come on Dan, pull the other leg. It's not going to be too bad because of high pressure. The one fly in the ointment, this system will stay to the west. One little wiggly weather front will work in some more cloud, but it should be dry at least through the weekend. But that said, it's been quite a misty day from the parts of, say, the Vale of York down through the Midlands, where we still have the low cloud and mist here. We come further north, parts of far north of England, the borders of Scotland, and not bad. Sunny spells, perhaps 17 for Glasgow as we finish off the afternoon. Further south and west across parts of Northern Ireland, fine afternoon here, just some patchy clouds, 16. Further south and east across parts of Wales, patchy cloud, and still quite pleasant in Cardiff, with maybe a few little pockets of low cloud hanging on. To the southwest of England, fine, dry, not bad at all at 17. There could be just the small risk of the odd shower, maybe along the south coast, but generally dry as well. Fine. To London, 19. Typical this time of year is about 15 or 16, so temperatures, again, well above where they should be. Our ridge of high pressure sitting off just to the east. We'll get some mist and fog forming tonight, but not as much. With a weak weather front coming in, it'll bring in a bit more cloud. Notice the darker area coming in, and that'll act as somewhat of a blanket, keeping temperatures from dropping too far away, 8 to 11 or 12, with just some mist here and there as we start off Saturday. But Saturday will have a different feel. Instead of the sunglasses, it'll probably more likely a cloudier start, and you'll see the map as well. Let's say, for instance, over the southwest parts of England, a cloudy start here. Yes, it will be dry. 13 our starting number in Plymouth, winds in that easterly direction. 10 or so for Cardiff, maybe some patchy mist here and there. And as we come north and west, notice maybe even, say, parts of Wales, just the odd spot of drizzle. To parts of Northern Ireland, dry start here, 13. And across much of Scotland as well. Maybe some brighter skies. Temperatures perhaps 11 for Glasgow, 12 Aberdeen, and then further south across northern England. A cloudier start, but for the most part, it is a dry one. Just maybe the small risk across perhaps the east coast of England through the first part of the day. A spot of drizzle just working in, but generally fair bit of cloud. And you can see even down to the southeast, a cloudy start. So different to, say, this afternoon as you go out and about because of the weak little weather front that is just working in this area of cloud that will sit across most of England and Wales through the day. If anything, the brightness probably parts of Northern Ireland, Scotland into the afternoon. We'll break up some of the cloud, but we keep it here in many places, 16 to perhaps 18 further south for Saturday. Let's have a look at things then for Sunday. Sunday, brighter skies to the southeast. The cloud moves northwest. Temperatures still mild, 16 to 19. That's the weather.